Hello everyone, I'm Sneha and I'm here today to talk about my program with Shobna. Hi Shobna, how are you?
Hi, Sneha. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for inviting me.
So Shobna, tell us about yourself, the kind of work you do, and anything about you as a coach, as a therapist.
Okay. So I'm Shobna. I'm from Chennai. And my major work is to work with women, especially women who are stuck in toxic relationships or who are uh, unable to identify themselves. That they have lost that connection with themselves because of whatever traumas they have faced or their past relationship or their current relationships. And going through that emotional trauma all alone without being able to understand करना क्या है यहाँ पर. So I work mostly with such women where the focus is to help them heal their past, heal their emotions, bring back that reconnection with themselves, and have that sense of identity within themselves. Ki, who was I before I ever entered any relationship? Like where is that original authentic version of me, and getting them into that power, the power of being themselves, not कि मुझे उनको एक super lady बनाना है, नहीं. They themselves are a superwoman by their birth, like.
Mhm.
So I want to get help them to get back to that same authentic version. So I use multiple modalities that I have um, had helped, like it helped me in my journey. In the same way, I am using the same with my clients. So I use inner child healing. Sometimes I use Reiki or pranic healing or EFT, Ho'oponopono. Some clients I have worked with family constellations also. So
Okay.
depending on what the client or what level of work the client is ready to put up with, then we go into that depth. And this is how my journey has been. So as I evolved and as I found my identity from whatever traumas I had, I didn't even realize I was in trauma when I began the work. And slowly, when I realized to identify, because most of the women who are coming to me, they don't even understand that they are the one who are traumatized. They think they are the one who are torturing their partners or their kids, and like they don't think that they are even the victims.
Yeah.
So to help them identify that, yes, you are somebody who has been abused, who has been going through the difficulties, and to help them get out of that. Because this is what my mentors did when I was struggling. I used to think that I'm abusing. And there, my perspective changed that, okay, you are not the abuser, you are the abused. And you need to understand this is what is happening to you.
Yeah,
So
we are
I
blamed and criticized and judged to such an extent that we start believing all those things about ourselves. So it's very true that sometimes we don't even forget that we are also suffering.
Exactly. And because of that perspective, they never think about helping themselves. It is always about what can I do to change their life, but not about what can I do to bring this change into my life or live my life in a better way, live my life in a more purposeful way. So there I felt that this is something that I really want to help women with. And while I was working with my own traumas, I realized that there were some things that I could not work with the current modalities that I was doing. And that is when first time I came across your post on womb healing. And
Okay.
it was very I became very curious, like womb healing में क्या होता है, मतलब ये नाम ही नया लगा था पहले.
Right.
And it was around my birthday 2 years back. And I was like, okay, fine, I really have to give it a try. Come
Hmm.
what may, चलो try करते हैं. So I immediately booked a session, and it was a revelation for me. The
Yeah.
kind of experience I had in the womb healing session with you. Um, I didn't realize that a sibling that who inhabited my mother's womb just before me and who died, जिसके साथ मैंने कभी कोई मुलाकात नहीं की है, बात नहीं की है. How could I feel so connected with him just because we shared the womb space? And then I realized there was entanglement, there was so much of him that I was carrying within me. And through the work of constellation and womb healing, when I worked upon it. And so now it is like I am still connected with him, but I'm not entangled with him. It
Yeah.
is like I have double strength. तो जब भी मैं अकेला फील करती हूँ, I just tell myself the entire world may be alone, but you have somebody else along with you. Like that part of your sibling is living in you. So it's not like I don't feel entangled anymore. The
Yeah.
minute I need extra strength, I just invoke his presence, and that gives me so much strength. So this connection I felt only in the womb healing session, and I was like, इसको तो मुझे सीखना ही है, मतलब ये जो मैजिक मुझे मिला है, I really want to, and I was asking you so many times, like,
Yeah.
where did you learn this from? I want to do it. And as soon as you launched the first cohort, I was like, कुछ भी हो, मुझे तो करना ही है, टाइम मिले ना मिले, वो एक सेशन के लिए जाना ही जाना है. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड आई रियली टुक इट अप एट दैट टाइम, बिकॉज it has given amazing results to each of my clients.
Mm-hmm.
Some clients, even after months of the session, they are still messaging me, this breakthrough happened. Something that we had discussed in the session, although it was just one womb healing session. None of them had a second session, but the way the breakthroughs are coming in, the way they are seeing the shifts, like the way they have started involving people who have been lost in the womb, their siblings or their kids who they have aborted or who were lost in the womb. Like one of my clients, she created two small dolls and she gave those two kids that were aborted in her womb, उनको नाम दिया, उनके नाम से उसने इनिशियल डाल के दो डॉल्स रखा. शी सेड आई हैव केप्ट देम एट द वर्क डेस्क. Now
Mm-hmm.
those two kids have become a part of my life, and I also told my other two kids who are alive that these are two siblings of yours. You are not two, you are four siblings.
Yeah.
So this is the impact that it is creating just with one session.
True.
So
Very true.
it's so beautiful. I feel like I'm a magician when I'm with the healing sessions of womb healing, especially बिकॉज ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि हम लोग कुछ सेशन थेरेपी का काम कर रहे हैं. ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे हाथ में एक जादू की छड़ी है, बस मैं सेशन के इसको फॉलो करती जाऊं, एंड वी आर अनरेवलिंग मिस्टीरियस थिंग्स दैट वी नेवर एनकाउंटर्ड बिफोर. So it's a beautiful modality, and I'm really thankful to you for bringing it in such a way that it can be so easy to understand and implement. Like I didn't have to go through hours of practice before I started with my first client.
How did
I
you
did it
start with
once.
your practice? Like after
I
learning the
the
field?
first time I went through the script multiple times. I watched the recording multiple times. I made my own notes. I understood where things needed to be taken in depth, where things have to be kept on the surface. एक ही सेशन था तो उसी को बार बार देख के मैंने ये सब नोट किया. Then I took a verbatim of your session. I tried to understand where are the pauses, where are the focus, like यहाँ पे और नीचे और लेकर जाना है. And when I did that, I felt a little bit confident, but still I didn't want to take up a paid client. I
Yeah.
was like, मुझे ट्रायल नहीं करना है क्लाइंट के साथ में. So I invited one of my friends and I said, I want to do it for you. Like she had done one of her sessions with me that she had learned initially. So I said, this is for that. Like तुमने वो किया था, you didn't take a payment from me. So I really wanted to give you back something, and I want this. And I'm sure that this will help you as much as it helped me. So she came to the session and I did that with her first. And for the first time, I think it went for some 4.5 hours we did it, because I didn't know where to stop her or something. But once I was done with the session, I could review in the mind and I realized that there were many places where I was stretching unknowingly. And then I cut them down. That from there, I think with the first client itself, I brought it down to 3 hours.
That is good.
So from for the first client, I brought it down to 3 hours, and I started realizing that okay, ये half time को जब मैं cross करी, I should have reached this point. I
Yeah.
should have at least crossed this point. So slowly it started getting better. So till now, I've done it about 7, 8 clients,
Oh,
and
wow.
each of them has had a different thing. Like one of the clients, she was the second daughter of the family, and although her mother didn't feel the pinch, people around her at the time of her birth were telling her mother कि तुम्हारे पास बेटी हुई है, दूसरी बेटी हुई है, अभी क्या होगा तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा पति तुम्हारे साथ रहेगा, मतलब इतना प्रेशर माँ के ऊपर डाला कि the mother started crying.
Yeah.
And this girl saw all these things in the womb healing session. She was like, my mother was put through so much pressure.
Yeah.
And within 2 days, she saw a big shift in the way she started receiving love from her mother. Nothing changed as such.
Yeah.
She said, कुछ
But
भी नहीं.
external circumstances only reflect what is internal. And
एग्जैक्टली. सो शी सेड यही कर रही थी मेरी मम्मी पहले से भी, मतलब मेरी मम्मी ऐसे ही मुझे प्यार दिखाती थी, आज भी वही किया. बट टुडे आई एम एबल टू रिसीव इट completely, which I could not do before. All because I was having that rejection inside me, that because I'm a girl, I'm a second child who's a girl in the family, I'm not welcome here. I'm not
Mhm.
accepted here. Although my parents never vocally said that to me.
Yeah,
So
but
that
he
one
absorbed it in
sensation,
the fetus itself, and this is
she
a
absorbed it.
cellular memory. And until and unless, like I have seen so many practitioners just do womb healing and limit it to the 9 months of pregnancy, but they often focus on cutting cords. But this is how not womb works, right? You cannot cut the cord from the one who has given you birth.
Exactly.
And the work doesn't just limits to the 9 months, it comes way before that because there was a girl child before in this case. So the parents' expectation is that now if we have another child of, and if it's a boy, it will complete our family. So there is an unsaid expectation, which is again absorbed by the fetus.
Right.
Then all the feelings which mother goes through, the fetus absorbs it. And even after she is given birth, like when she was given birth, then only people got to know that she is a girl
Right.
child.
Right.
So even after birth, whatever mother goes through is absorbed by the baby, because still first 5 years of life, mother and baby are the same.
Right.
The child does not have any separate identity or even
Identity. Correct.
existence.
Correct.
So the womb healing is not only about the 9 months. The womb healing is not only about the just seeing what happened, but it is also about the regeneration. Like, and when you regenerate at a cellular level, things explode. Like, it is like literally a new birth.
Right. Right.
So, when you did those 7, 8 sessions, what changed in your practice, Shobna? What made you believe that this is the work which your clients need?
I made it mandatory for all my one-to-one clients, like as a part of the package. So
Okay.
I wouldn't tell them कि आपको womb healing के लिए अलग. I made it a part of the package,
Okay.
and I started giving. I said we work on 5 levels. Generally, like any trauma or anything that you're having, one is your current adulthood self, then your inner child self, then you go to the womb level, then it may be intergenerational, and then it may be past life. Now I'm not going into the intergenerational past life as much as what your lived experience is, because intergenerational is still not your lived experience. We'll work on the lived experience. So let's begin from where it started. जहां आपका आपका जन्म हुआ है, वहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, वहां से आपने पिकअप किया है. सो वी वर्क फ्रॉम देयर, वी वर्क ऑन योर चाइल्डहुड, एंड देन वी वर्क ऑन योर करंट इशू. बाय द टाइम वी हैव रीच्ड योर चाइल्डहुड एंड क्रॉस्ड इट, half of your things would be sorted in the adulthood, because
True.
that is where the root lies.
Yeah.
And even in my case, I realized that I had the sense of abandonment and rejection unknowingly within me, and I never had an answer as to why. But when I was doing the womb healing, and when I was digging into the stories of my birth and before birth, I realized that my mother was, since there was a dead sibling 6 months before I was conceived, my mother had unexpectedly conceived at that time, although she was open to having a second child, but that was not the timing that they had planned.
Right.
So, since it was an unplanned pregnancy, they went to the doctor, and the doctor was literally angry with her that your body has not yet healed from the previous birth. It was a difficult labor, and this is not the right time. She was just 23 at that time. She said, there is a lot of like time hai tumhare paas, jaldi nahi hai. So, you abort this child because it will not be healthy for your body to carry it right now.
Yeah.
So, she came back, she discussed with my father, and then she was given an abortion pill, and she took it. And
Mhm.
despite that pill, today I am here. Um, Nothing happened. Though the same abortion pill has been used in her family by her siblings or siblings' spouses for abortions, and they have had abortions.
Yeah.
So that put my mother into another pressure where she's completely fearful in the entire pregnancy, stressed and fearful.
Mhm.
That अगर वो abort कर सकता है बच्चे को, तो उसने मेरे बच्चे को क्या किया होगा? Like, is my child whole? Is my child mentally or physically complete? Is she like going to be लूला लंगड़ा है, कान नहीं है, आंख नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या हो सकता है. She said, I was so much in fear that the minute you were born, although I was wanting a girl child, and the nurse, like they had family nurse है, वो सबको जानती है. फैमिली नर्स जैसे ही बेटी हुई, शी वॉज सो हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट व्हाट आई वांट. शी इज टेलिंग मी कि देखो तुम्हारी बेटी हुई है. आई कुडंट इवन रजिस्टर दैट न्यूज. I am literally checking all body parts of yours if they are intact, in place, ठीक से बड़े हुए, तुम्हारे हाथों को देखा, उंगली को देखा, पैरों को देखा, हाँ मेरे बच्चे के सारे अंग वहां वहां है. After that only I could realize and take the news that okay, I'm having a girl child, something that I had been wanting so badly. So this is the stress that I had gotten. And there in the womb healing session, I realized that okay, this rejection is coming from there.
Yeah,
Because of that, there used to be एक कोल्ड वॉर जैसा होता था मम्मी के साथ में हमेशा, बचपन से. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. द सेम थिंग इफ माय डैड वुड से इवन इन द सेम टोन, आई वुड नॉट फील सो मच रिलेट. बट व्हेन माय मॉम सेज, ऐसे अंदर से एक वॉरियर जैसे खड़ी हो जाती हूँ मैं, ऐसे कैसे आपने बोल दिया, लाइक हाउ आर यू रिजेक्टिंग मी. That rejection started there, that abandonment started there, which was reflecting in my relationship with my husband also.
yeah,
Like
the home memories reflect in every aspect of our
every
life.
aspect, exactly, every unreturned message from my spouse, or every unreturned some communication that I'm trying to communicate with, I will feel abandoned. And I'm like, इसको क्यों इतना बड़ा करे? When he is saying, I would also think, why am I making this such a big
Yeah,
thing? I couldn't understand why it was happening unless I saw this thing in the womb. Okay, this has impacted so much that even at the age of 40, that was still having
yeah.
so much power in my
The
body.
home
And
memories
once I released,
operate till the time you have the same body because
exactly,
it
which
is
is
that
why I
similar
realized that
memory.
या तो 40 साल तक मैं उस प्रोग्रामिंग पे काम कर रही हूँ, मतलब वो आउटडेटेड सिस्टम हो चुका है, आउटडेटेड प्रोग्रामिंग हो चुका है, फिर भी मेरी सिस्टम से वो निकला नहीं, वो वायरस की तरह अंदर पड़ा है.
Mhm.
एंड once I removed that, it really liberated me on a different level, because now I don't feel abandoned by these things that used to trigger me. Nothing changed outside. The only thing is my perception of it changed, because the thing that was operating it has been removed from it.
So,
So
Shobna,
there.
tell us about your experience as well as your client's experience that when you worked on the womb memory, how it shifted their current life problems.
I can tell you one client's session. This client came to me with an anxiety issue. He's a 45-year-old male, and he has been having this anxiety since the age of 12. So for
Okay.
past 33 years, we were working on different aspects of anxiety, and we had worked through constellations, we had worked through inner child healing. There were multiple layers of anxiety, but there was one anxiety which was like he couldn't pinpoint it to anything. And while I was taking down his questionnaire and noting things down, um, there were some points I realized that यहाँ पे कुछ लग रहा है. So I started focusing on those aspects or those time periods in his womb healing. And when we were doing the womb healing, in the third month of pregnancy, when my client was in his mother's womb, his mother lost one of her elder daughters who was about 6 or 7.
Okay.
There was a death in the family, which is a sibling of this child. So this child had never seen that sibling. Now, since that child had died, this mother went into grief. But because she was the elder daughter-in-law, third month of pregnancy, and there were other kids also. Like I think he had 5 siblings apart from the one he had lost. She was into the family's business also. She was helping there. Ye wo. We realized the mother never got a chance to have that, express that grief. That grief got stuck in his stomach.
Mm-hmm.
There was a part, like as soon as we went there, his stomach was paining so badly, he was writhing in pain. He's like, मैम कुछ करो, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, ये दर्द मुझसे नहीं सहा जा रहा है. I said, please allow your grief to process and let it go. Like we gave him time. And then he started weeping. He wept for 45 minutes in the session. 45 minutes. We were there in the third month, and we were allowing that grief that his mother couldn't process, which was stuck in his body. We allowed him to process it, and it released. Only when it released, then we move back to the earlier processes. And when we regenerated and everything, the minute he came out of the womb healing was like, ma'am, ye kya jadoo tha? How do you know that this was? I said, I don't know anything. Your body just showed it in the session. I just noted the timeline of events that you have mentioned, and I just helped your body connect with that part, which was not connected before. And within the same day, he said, but I have to do something for her, like that sibling who died. I said, what would you usually do for somebody who has been lost in the family? He said, हम लोग उनके नाम पे दान करते हैं. I said, then do it for her, remember her, honor her presence in your family, and include her in your well wishers के list में. आज तक you just remembered her as one of your siblings who were lost, but now remember that she is a part of you,
Yeah.
and she's a part of your life. The minute he did that, within the next week, he said, "Ma'am, I'm feeling so relieved."
Mhm.
And and that anxiety was also not only his anxiety that he's carrying from 12. He said, that is also my mother's anxiety. She
Yeah.
must she must have been so anxious, losing a child, having one in the womb. She may have had multiple anxieties. So that one was like literally, I can never take that memory out of my mind, that it could help someone with something that they had been carrying for so many decades, like चार
Yeah.
साढ़े चार decades से उनके शरीर में अटका पड़ा है. And once it went out, he said, I'm feeling like a different person.
Yeah. Womb, like, I don't remember how many womb sessions I have personally facilitated for my clients, but every session, like there is one common feedback that Sneha, I feel like that I have taken a new
New
birth.
birth.
Like
Exactly.
now I know because we touch on the soul purpose, the soul contract in the womb work. And when the soul contract is regenerated and renewed, they say that now I know why I'm here. And that feeling is priceless. Like no money, no
Right.
amount of energy exchange can even remotely come close to the joy and happiness you feel. So I can totally relate when you feel that, and you become a conduit and a small facilitator, a small part in their new life, in their new beginnings. It feels so, so fulfilling.
It's very satisfying to be
Yeah.
that catalyst in their life. And even in the stage of regeneration, when we are helping them have that new belief system, when they are saying, the expression on their face changes.
Yeah.
Something that was completely negative, something that was limiting them, limiting their growth, limiting the way they are perceiving life, everything, when it is broken and they have this new belief, इतनी खुशी से जब वो बोलते हैं, लाइक इवन आफ्टर द सेशन, आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू राइट देम डाउन एंड आई गिव इट टू देम लाइक अफर्मेशंस. आई एम लाइक,
Yeah.
बोलो इसको, बार बार बोलो. जितना आप उसको बोलोगे, आप उस लिमिटिंग बिलीफ को आपने जितना पावर दिया था, हमको उसको क्रॉस करना है. So then I got a chance to have a womb healing with one of my friends. She did it for me. And then I started, like, she noted down all these beliefs, new beliefs.
So
Now,
is your friend also trained in this
yeah,
same way?
like one of my batchmates.
Okay.
So she
Okay.
did it for me. And when she did it for me, she noted down. I said, give me all the beliefs, that new beliefs that I'm creating, because obviously I will be in regression, so I wouldn't be able to note it down. So she gave it to me. I started practicing it every day.
Yeah.
अभी अभी ऐसे टेप रिकॉर्डर की तरह हो गया है. वंस आई जस्ट से आई, एंड आई के पीछे लग जाता है, इतना लाइन में लग जाता है. आई स्टार्ट सेइंग एवरीथिंग. एंड व्हेन आई से दैट, although it was not the truth when I started saying it, slowly it has become a part of my cellular memory now. And
Yeah.
my
It becomes your identity. Your neural pathways changes completely.
Exactly. So now I say that, I say it with so much conviction that I am living my life, because before that it was like, I don't feel like I'm living my life. मैं किसी और की जिंदगी जी रही हूँ. Because I was entangled with
Yeah.
my brother's dead brother's life. So I was not feeling like I'm living my life, because he is not living my life. So he would obviously feel that a part of me
True.
always felt it's not living its life. So now I say that I am living my life. I am also living a part of his life that he could have lived if he was alive. मैं हम दोनों के लिए जी रही हूँ.
Yeah.
And there was a constellation where this same brother came in the session, like it was
Yeah.
a part of the constellation, and he said that I am there to protect her. And when I heard that, it was a goosebump moment for everyone. Like, I am there to
I
protect.
remember that you also shared that. Sneha, what is this happening? Is this my constellation? I still
I know.
remember that feedback.
So it was like, I am there to protect her, and she will get everything of my share also. Not only in money, like मेरे हिस्से का खुशी मिलेगा, मेरे हिस्से का opportunity मिलेगा, मेरे हिस्से के रिश्ते मिलेंगे. Everything that I would have lived, she will get it in double. So that was like universe speaking to me through the session. So it, this is the same thing that happens in the womb healing session also. When they see their mother being healed in their mother's womb, they're
Yeah.
like, I feel so happy seeing my mother receiving everything that she never got. Like one of my clients' sole purpose, I am there to take care of my mother. Like, she came as
Yeah.
a parentified daughter. She was like, my sole purpose is to support my mother. Although I am the child who would need her support, but I came here to support her, to love her, to be that wall that she never got. So when they started knowing that, they're like, okay, fine, I'm not doing this out of some trauma or something, but ये मेरे सोल का purpose ही था. The way they started connecting with their mother, the way started forgiving things that were between them and their mother. People who have lost their mother, who have done the womb healing, they had a different level of connection. So हर किसी के साथ में जुड़ता है, क्योंकि हर कोई अपनी माँ के कोख से ही आया है. So
True, very true. I
it's
mean,
like,
there's such a big limiting belief that men don't need womb healing session. But the truth is, every human being who has been a part of their mother's womb need womb healing.
right.
And
Just like we
not
need the
a
womb.
weirdo kind of stuff where you cut the cords, where you disconnect, but you truly do the work in the rightful way. And this is why, Shobna, even when you ask me multiple times, where have you learned? Because I have not learned it from anywhere. Like I have researched works, I have understood the gaps of the different modalities I have learned, and it came out. And I have never even planned to teach it, but it just happened. And over a period of time, like this is the third batch we are launching, and over a period of time, the program itself has gone
Evolved.
from a massive transformation. Like the first session where you were a part, it was a 1 day session, full 4.5 hour of training plus WhatsApp support. But now this time it is a 7 day training, because with each cohort, I also evolve as a practitioner. I also understand, okay, these are the areas where I can make this training more meaningful.
Mm,
So this is something, but apart from everything else, the deep satisfaction is unparalleled. I mean,
correct.
so you have taken 7, 8 sessions of womb healing. You have also undergone the training, and you tell us what is the, if you have to point out 3 reasons why people should opt for this training, why, what that would be.
One is to take you to the roots. Like you were so like seed up like जो छोटे से seed थे, you were sown over there. So beginning from there really helps you. So even in the womb healing session, when we are going through the regression points, there is a lot of thing that comes up which you would not have noticed as an
Yeah.
adult.
True.
So through the process of regression, you understand that, okay, these were the areas of trauma that are still there in my deeply embedded in your system. So it not only focuses on your womb
Yeah.
trauma, but it is also about all the trauma that you have. Like it comes immediately from your body. So it helped me with my other modalities. So when I'm working with my inner child healing, दिस वूम एक वूम हीलिंग सेशन से मुझे पता चल जाता है कि क्लाइंट के ये एरियाज को हमको वहां पे काम करना है. सो इट इज लाइक अ डायग्नोस्टिक टूल.
Yeah.
समटाइम्स इट रियली हेल्प्स मी. ओके, दीज आर द एरियाज दैट वी विल pick up from there, and we will work on them depending on what is impacting the client in the current life.
Yeah.
So it really helped as a diagnostic tool. Even for the client, it was a lot of awareness. They're like, ये memory मुझे कहाँ से याद आया? Like I have so many memories at the age of 35. Why did I remember only this? या 5 साल की उम्र में ये हुआ मुझे कैसे पता? How did I remember this? I said it's not about your remembrance. It is about your nervous system is having this. Like this is the most prioritized thing in that 1 year of life that it wants to look into.
Yeah.
Now you have to see whether it is something that you want to remember, or if you want to work on it and change the way it was in your life. So that really helped in that. Like, so this is one thing that I realized. One. Second is sometimes we don't have an answer for these things, even in our childhood, in our lived experience, in our memories. And most of the things have originated in the womb, specifically when we don't know what our mother went through when she was carrying us.
Mm.
Most of us in this patriarchal society are never taught empathy towards mother or women. It is always taken for granted. हाँ मम्मी है ना, मम्मी करेंगी. मम्मी 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 को करना ही है. Whether or not mother wants to do, it's never. So once we become a mother, the way we look at mother changes. The same way, once we have the womb healing session, I think the entire perspective of the client towards women, especially women who are mothers, changes.
They,
In that
it's,
way,
that also change the perspective towards themselves. Like they become more compassionate towards themselves. They have answers to the questions which even they were not even
Yeah.
aware of.
समटाइम्स द क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो नॉट क्लियर कि मुझे जानना है, मतलब है कुछ तो है कुछ कुछ समथिंग दैट कैन नॉट बी पिन पॉइंटेड टू. इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग मी बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज.
Yeah.
सो सम लाइक इट इज लाइक अ मिस्ट्री थिंग, जो एक मिस्ट्री वहां पर खुलकर उसका राज भी निकल जाता है. So
True.
that is how womb healing has been for me. So I really vouch for womb healing sessions to anybody. So anybody who just interacts with me, I'm like, you want to give a try to healing, give womb healing a try. मतलब बाकी में जाना है, आपको बोलना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू रिमेम्बर एंड टेल द थेरेपिस्ट कि मुझे इस पे ये करना है. You just go with the flow of the session and then you will be amazed at what comes up.
Yeah.
And for me also, it is very exciting. Ki, okay, let's see what this session brings in. So although it is 3.5 hours of session with the client, so initial interaction है, बाद में last में end करने के बाद है, तो it goes for about 3.5 hours with each client. I never felt tired in the session.
Mhm.
And I feel like it was a very exciting, adventurous journey that I have gone into and come back, because it is like living with the client for their entire lifetime that they have lived, and being able to shift a lot of things and then come back with the client to the present. So ऐसे लगता है कोई magical movie journey में जाकर आए हैं. So that is how it is
Really?
for, so, and it is a single session thing. So it's not,
Yeah.
the client has to give a lot of time and commitment.
Yeah.
If you can watch a movie for 3 hours, this is like your life movie, which you can rewrite, which
So
you can
important.
change.
This is so important, Shobna.
This movie is like this most important movie. So if you have time for a movie for the weekend, go and have your womb healing session done and see how things are shifting in your life. And the best part is that you can do it for your womb experience. And if you are a mother, you're
Yeah.
blessed to do it even for your child.
Yeah.
That's the best part of
Yeah.
having this
Because a
movie.
mother's heart field regulates the child's heart field till she is alive. So no matter how old your child is, you can do this for yourself too, and you can also dismantle those patterns which your child is unconsciously carrying.
Correct. And I realized that the mothers who got their womb healing done, they were like, oh my God, if I have absorbed this, I remember that I didn't give a very good environment to my child. The
Yeah,
way they started looking at their pregnancy, their environment that they had provided to the child, there was more awareness.
yeah,
Now, the more aware they are, I realize that it will not only stay with them, it will definitely go on to every other pregnant woman that the mother will next interact with.
yeah.
It will be a big shift that will happen to every people that they go and touch upon
Uh,
from there.
It makes you a more conscious human, a more compassionate human, and a more conscious and aware parent.
Parent, exactly. So it was more or less like I used to tell my clients that doing the inner child work is also like a parenting course for you, because as you reparent yourself, you understand that this way I can be a better parent. So you not only reparent yourself, you start becoming the parent that your child always needed, the parent that is the best version of you that
Yeah,
your child deserves to have. So in that way, I feel that we are blessed to be in this field of work where
yeah.
although we are dealing with challenges and problems every single day, I feel that it is not looking upon it कि अरे यार मैं इसी के साथ में रह रही हूँ. No, it is in a way where you are powerful, you are having so many things in your hand which can help you take from this point to the point that the client desires to go. So although it is challenge वाला challenge है, लेकिन जरूरत नहीं है कि हमको challenge में मरना ही है. We can
Yeah, the challenge doesn't feel like a challenge anymore. Sometimes
exactly.
it just feels like a learning, and when you are able to integrate that learning, the lesson also disappears.
The lesson is because it is done, the purpose is
Yeah.
done, the काम हो गया है उसका, तो now they don't have to go through the process of it. So I
Mhm.
feel that womb healing makes them a better person
Yeah.
as such. Like it is a very simple thing that you can put yourself through for 3 hours and still you can see a very huge shift in you.
Yeah.
Although you have not gone for months of therapy or counseling or anything,
Yeah.
if you want to just have a small start, like you are someone who's skeptical, who thinks that, okay, Do I need healing, or do does do all these healings work actually? Like इतना ये लोग झाड़ रहे हैं, ये सब काम करता है क्या? या it works only for people who are intellectual, people who can understand psychology. There are so many questions in people's mind.
Yeah.
Here you don't have to put your brain, you don't have to put anything. Just have to lie down, allow yourself to surrender to the session, and then magic happens. So
Very.
this is the magic of home healing, I can say.
So, Shobna, like you have mentioned, you have learned so many modalities. How did you find the womb healing training program different from the other modalities? What were your aha moments in this?
Okay. For me, the fact that it is single session itself was a big aha. Like, okay, एक session में भी कुछ हो सकता है, because all the work that I have done, or all the modalities, they are always focused on multiple sessions, like at least 5 sessions, at least 10 sessions, because to see the progress, the
Yeah.
client needs that much time. So for me, this was like एक session से भी हो सकता है, which is what was making me curious when I did it for the first time for myself. And once I had it done, then I realized that, okay, this is something that really has, although that area got it, but I can have another womb healing session to do
Yeah.
something that comes up in some other time. It is okay. But it is a very profound change that I could see in me. The way I could connect with my dead brother, the way I could reconnect with my mother, the way my relationship with my mother has changed with that session. I felt that this is something that I could not get in the other modalities. They are powerful, but they need time. They need repetition. They need continuous commitment of the client. So, for somebody who is hesitant, somebody who is a newcomer, somebody who thinks they are not capable of doing anything, I think going into the regression is the simplest thing that you can do as a client, because
Yeah. You don't
there
have
it
to
is
do
nothing you have
anything.
to do. Exactly, you don't have to do anything. You just have to be present with willingness that I want to take complete utilization of whatever is coming up in this session. So once they have that, so ये तो किसी के लिए भी आसान है, whether or not they understand the complexity of the process, or whether I am suitable for this, whether this is suitable for me. कुछ दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, आपको सीधे जाना है, बैठना है, काम करना है, अपने आप हो जाएगा. So this is just like going and watching a movie
Yeah.
where you don't have to put your brains to use. You just enjoy the process the same way you can enjoy the process here. So I would say that that was something that shifted. And for me, my aha moment was also my own experience with the womb healing, which like I was pursuing you, right? कि कुछ तो करो, मुझे भी सीखना है, मुझे भी करना है, because I could see the shift it was bringing in me, and I really wanted to help my clients in the same way. And since I could not be like every time sending somebody from me, हाँ तुम जाओ वहां पे जाके करके आओ. Not everybody is able to connect with. If I'm sending them to you, they may not be able to connect with.
Oh,
Like
very
नहीं, तुम करो, अरे तुम करो, मुझे नहीं आता तो मैं कहाँ से करूँ तुम. This was the thing at that time. So when it was like, and for me, it was just a 1 day training.
yeah.
And it was like, okay, 1 day में मैं सीख कर भी कर सकती हूँ, वो मेरे लिए और आहा था. मतलब एक ही दिन में कर सकते हैं, इतना आसान है. सो द प्रोसेस दैट यू हैव पुट अक्रॉस, इट्स वेरी सिंपल.
Yeah.
Like you don't need an exact script. Once you understand the way it is taken, you just need the process कि हाँ step 1 है, step 2 है, step 3 है. अब उसके बाद में आप अपना एसेंस डाल लो उसमें, लेकर जाओ.
Yeah.
प्रोसेस तो वही है. सो इट इज नॉट लाइक अ स्पून फीडिंग थिंग कि आपको आपको डायलॉग बाय डायलॉग ये, हाँ ये क्वेश्चन पूछना है, इसके बाद में ये पूछना है.
There is no
It
question.
allows you to flow in the steps. Like there is a guideline, you follow the guideline, but yet you can have your essence in that guideline. And that is what makes you separate from all other batchmates of yours.
Yeah,
Because
true.
even if my other batchmate, like 10 other members have done with me, not everyone will be taking the session just the way I am taking. So
Yeah.
that makes it exclusive for the client who has already connected with me, who is able to do the sessions with me, which is why यहाँ पे भी उनको वो एक्सक्लूसिविटी मिल जाता है कि हाँ ये वाला वो हीलिंग आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई डू एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर माय क्लाइंट्स.
And even if the same client comes to you for another womb healing session, the session will be absolutely different.
राइट.
It will be like, and it is like, it's just that wo Pandora box, once opened, it's like, oh my God. And then when
राइट.
you regenerate it, it turns into a treasure box. So that is beautiful. And yes, you are absolutely right. The most amazing thing is that if a client is skeptical, if they do not have the resources or time, if they are facing time crunch, the easiest and the fastest way is womb healing.
Right. And
So,
it is powerful. And that's the best part, that it is powerful. It's not like just because you're doing something on a like a trial,
yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि वो थोड़ा सा ही काम करेगा. Which is what I would say, that it is something that मैं खुल के बोलती हूँ लोगों को. Not as a way of selling it, but I tell with so much conviction कि अरे यार ये try करके देखो. The
Hmm.
same way we tell our friends with so much conviction something that we believe truly in,
Yeah.
whether or not it is ours or somebody else's. The same way here I am telling the people कि तुमको कुछ try करना है ना, पहले ये try करके देखो. मतलब इतना मजेदार है ना कि I cannot put them into words. The client with the anxiety issue, he was like, ma'am, now I understand why you said that you don't have words to explain the experience of this program. Even I don't have words to express it, but I can say it was magical. That was literally his thing that day कि इतना सारा कैसे, मतलब कहाँ था ये सब. The way it opens up, the way they are able to see their own life in a different perspective, I really feel like a magician. I would say that everybody who can do womb healing, they will feel that feeling that you're having something so magical in your hand that can work with anybody,
True.
because you don't have to do the work, they don't have to do the work. All you have to do is just follow the process and it happens naturally.
Yeah.
Even as a womb healer, you don't have to put that extra effort.
Yeah.
The only intention that you need to have is that the best for the client is going to get done
Yeah.
through me in the session, and it happens. So I'm not having any fear doing it with the client anymore ki, am I doing it the right way, did I ask the right question, or did I skip any step. skip तो skip, कोई बात नहीं. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको यही करना है. जो आपके क्लाइंट के लिए हो रहा है, whatever you're guided to, it is going in the right direction. The
With
client is,
one or two sessions, like the session itself flows. It's just you
it
need
does
some
not.
time to understand the process because there are multiple steps to it. But once you get a hang of it, you don't even need any PDFs, any scripts. You just need a pen and paper to make a note of what the client is experiencing, and you are done.
Right. So that was the aha moment for me, I would say. And the every time I receive the feedback from the clients, like after the session, like this client who was the second daughter in the family, after a month she messaged me, पता है अभी भी changes हो रहे हैं. Now I am feeling more accepted towards myself. Now I don't express have validation issues with my like she's into a relationship. She's like, now I don't expect him to validate me. Now I don't run behind him to show acceptance, क्योंकि वो acceptance का issue वहां था उनको.
Right.
जब उन्होंने वो sort out किया, she said, I'm not expecting acceptance from anyone now.
Yeah.
That one thing निकालने से उनको इतना फर्क पड़ा, इवन इन हर करंट रिलेशनशिप विच वी नेवर फोकस्ड ऑन इन द सेशन एट ऑल.
Yeah.
शी इज लाइक, यू डोंट नो, मैं तो भूल भी रही हूँ मैंने और क्या क्या नोटिस किया था. नोटिस करती थी एंड आई वुड रिमेम्बर दैट आई हैव टू टेल शोभना, एंड बाय दैट टाइम आई नोट इट एंड टेल यू आई फॉरगेट इट. I said, fine. It is still bringing shifts to you. You're happy. I'm happy for you. She said, yeah, I'm very happy with the session.
Yeah.
So people are seeing changes. So it's not only that you will be seeing the shift on that day. Sometimes you may not see it immediately, but slowly things, like it is like a snowball effect.
Hmm.
एक को जोड़ जोड़ के it comes as a very big gift to you.
Yeah.
That is what I have realized. So from
Yeah.
where I was when I was doing my first womb healing session to today where I am in the realm of rejection and abandonment, I can say I don't feel rejected anymore
Yeah.
by any of those things that used to trigger me as a child, as an adult, even as a mother right now.
Yeah.
Something that my child would do would trigger me. Like, why is my child doing this? Like, is my child not loving me? Like
Yeah.
I was expecting validation from my child who is much younger than me, जिसको मुझे देना चाहिए. वहां से I finally got out of that loop that I was stuck in. So that is how beautiful it can bring shift to
Yeah.
anybody. So I
The
would
most beautiful
love.
thing you can gift yourself is a womb healing session for yourself. And if you're a space holder, learn this training and it's like see the magic unfolding. I mean, Shobna, how long did you take to recover your initial investment?
I I think within the two, three clients first through because I started with 5555.
Yeah.
So and because I had made it up as a part of the package, so it was a part of the package for my one-to-one clients. But I think within the first three clients, I recovered the
Mhm.
money. And now, like after I started doing it, like I'm marketing about womb healing, the more I started talking about experiences, people from my healer community, they started paying me. They're like, we want to experience it. It's
Yeah.
the magic that you're talking about is so beautiful that I want to give it a try.
Yeah.
मुझे भी एक बार एक्सपीरियंस करना है। मैं सीख तो सकती हूँ, लाइक आई लर्न इट फ्रॉम यू, यू कैन
Yeah.
लाइक, हाँ हम सीख तो जाएंगे, लेकिन खुद की सर्जरी खुद तो नहीं कर सकते हैं ना।
True.
सर्जरी तो किसी और के पास करवाना पड़ेगा। अब तुमने सीखा है, तुमने किया है, एंड योर दे लाइक द वे यू आर टॉकिंग सो मच अबाउट इट मेक्स मी फील एक्साइटेड दैट मुझे भी वो एक्साइटमेंट देखना है, मुझे भी वो जर्नी में जाना है। सो
Yeah.
दैट इज हाउ मच, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम doing it for the sake of doing it. It's so much of happiness that I experienced doing it. Even now when I was talking to my cousins at a family meet, I'm telling them like, क्या बोल रहे हो, मतलब तुम किस दुनिया की बातें कर रही हो, like this seems like out of the world. They couldn't understand and comprehend what I'm talking. They're like, ऐसा भी होता है, मतलब तब का अभी तक होता है ऐसे, तो मैंने मेरे बच्चों के साथ कितना किया है, मैंने वो मेरा के ये किया था, वो किया था। सो वो रियलाइजेशंस आ रहे हैं विदाउट इवन गोइंग टू द सेशन, व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग दैट
Yeah.
योर womb कैन बी सो impactful, which is bringing about things. So to begin with, I would suggest everybody, if you're like you said, if you're a space holder, you can do it. If you're a parent, you can do it. If you're a teacher, you can do it. If you're a counselor, you can do it. If you are just an adult struggling with something which you have no answer to, go and get this done, so that you know that a part of you is sorted. बाकी का बाकी देखा जाएगा, लेकिन एक तो कर सकते हैं।
True.
And
Very true.
like one session is nothing compared to the result that you're getting
Yeah.
through that session, and the way it has that snowball effect, it keeps adding up to things that you would not have pictured in your mind.
Yeah.
इसका असर पॉइंट डी पे कैसे हुआ कुछ नहीं समझ सकते हम,
Right.
लेकिन
I mean, the changes and why they are happening, that is sometimes beyond logic.
exactly. And it not only affects them, I can see that the way it shifted the perception in me, the way it shifted everything around me, my mother's interaction and dynamics with me changed too.
Yeah.
The resentment that she used to have towards the difficulty in the pregnancy because of she carrying me, the way she sees me now, the way she talks about me now to people, she's like, जो इनिशियली मुझे कोसती थी कि तुमने अंदर, जब से तुम अंदर आई हो तब से मुझे परेशान किया है, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ डिफिकल्ट प्रेगनेंसी फॉर हर, एंड शी हैज सेड दिस ऑन माई फेस many a times. And now it has come to a point where she is telling everybody around, like she's a yoga teacher, she is telling her own students, she's like, ये मेरी बेटी नहीं है, ये मुझे मेरे से भी ज्यादा जानती है, she knows me better, she has helped me heal, like she has done her inner child healing with me. She's not done womb healing yet, but she has done these things, and she's like, ये मेरी गुरु है अभी. And to get that from her,
Yeah.
like I felt like the
So
dynamic has
many
changed.
parts of you, like it, you feel like seen, like
Yeah,
when,
you feel seen, you feel accepted. वो abandonment नहीं था, वो rejection, मतलब इतना complete acceptance. Not that I directly worked with her on anything,
yeah,
but the way you work on things, you will see that it will ripple around to everything in your life. It will ripple into all aspects of your life. It will ripple into your, because the first connection that you're having is with your mother, and if you can't accept that love, you can't receive from her, it will go on to receiving everything from people, from universe, from abundance, for your money, for your opportunities, everything. So
yeah.
एक छोटा सा अगर आपको डॉट लगाना है आपकी हीलिंग के जर्नी में, तो वो हीलिंग से शुरू कर सकते हैं।
This is so beautiful, Shobna. And more than this, the phrase which your mother used for you, I mean, we all crave for that acceptance. Even we are now adults, we all crave for that tiny acceptance from our parents. And when your parent acknowledges you in this way, this is so soul satisfying.
Exactly. And there I realized that the sole purpose that came up in my womb healing session, that I'm there to support her, I'm there to look after her. I realized that now she has also realized that she's getting that from me.
Yeah.
So now I don't feel after doing my trauma work and trauma learning and everything, I was like, oh my God, I had been a parentified daughter since childhood and I have been becoming a parent for her. But now I look at it from the sole purpose and I feel like, okay, that was my job to do. So I am doing my job. मुझे पेरेंटिफाइड डॉटर बनना ही था क्योंकि वो मेरे सोल का डिसाइडेड फैक्ट था. सो नाउ आई डोंट
Are
लुक एट
doing
इट
the
एज अ.
same thing. You are taking care, but in a very different light. Like
Exactly.
you
So
are
now I'm doing the
creating
same thing.
yourself and her.
Exactly. So now I don't look at it as trauma, although I'm doing the same parentification. I do it with so much joy, so
Yeah.
much of giving that, okay, मुझे करना है मेरी माँ के लिए ये, क्योंकि मुझे करना ही था. Like it was anyways a plan to do it for her. So that is how it shifts everything in your life. And I realized that once I started shifting the dynamic between me and my mother, everything around me started changing. The
Yeah.
kind of love and acceptance that I started getting from people randomly, मतलब उनके साथ में मेरा कुछ उस एंगल से कनेक्शन ही नहीं हुआ होगा, वो लोग आके मुझे बोलेंगे, यू नो यू वी लव टॉकिंग टू यू, वी लव द वे यू आर कन्वेइंग थिंग्स, ऑल्दो द सेम थिंग्स वंस अपॉन अ टाइम आई वुड बी टोल्ड एस कि कितना एडवाइस दे रहे हो तुम.
Yeah.
अभी उसको कोई एडवाइस नहीं समझता, कोई सोचता नहीं है कि मैं एडवाइस बोल रही हूँ. लाइक इट्स जस्ट एन एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई एम शेयरिंग, दैट इज द वे पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग
Yeah.
इट.
Because your mother is the source of your life, and womb healing is primarily healing this source. So when you heal things from the source itself, everything that the life has to offer, it will
Right.
automatically shift. I mean, you are just surprised by how things keep on changing for you, how you start feeling differently about yourself.
Right.
So
So
Shobna,
thank you
tell
so
us.
much for this. I really have to thank you again because although I may have been one of the catalysts for you to create the program soon and you brought it into my life. Like I think within the 6 months of my womb healing journey,
Yeah.
you brought this cohort and I
Yeah.
was like, I
I guess we
have
did
to.
it in December for you.
Huh.
And I guess June was the first cohort.
June was the first cohort, yes.
Yeah.
So and I took it like the time you announced it, it was around my birthday. I said, what better time to have a womb healing session than you experiencing it around your birthday when you were like in
Yeah.
that womb period. So it was like I really told myself, Shobna, this is a birthday gift for you. Enjoy. जाओ अपना सेशन करवाओ और मजे करो. So I started गिविंग भी बढ़ा मेरे अंदर.
Yeah.
Giving for myself because it was always expected from others.
Yeah.
Slowly it started shifting that I am able to do it for myself. I am able to extend it to others. So rather than giving only to others, I started doing it more for myself. That self love changed because I realized that it is not only about others giving it to me. Am I ready to give? Like I keep telling my children, sometimes they are like, हमको बोर हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. मैं कहती हूँ, खुद की कंपनी को एंजॉय करना चालू करो. Like if you cannot be with yourself, how do you expect people to not be bored with you? You start enjoying. So I started implying the same thing to me, and I am doing that. So now I don't feel lonely when I'm alone. And
Yeah.
I love spending time with you. I keep saying that same thing. So all those limiting beliefs that I had, I make it a point that I am rewriting them with the new regenerated beliefs that I had. And when I say that, it brings a different sense of feeling in the body. Like एक अलग सा वाइब्रेशन होता है शरीर में. ऐसे
Yeah.
लगता नहीं है कि आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. आपको लगता है कि आप वो
Yeah,
मंत्र
because
जाप
that
कर.
is your lived reality. Like you have created that new reality in the body itself.
लाइक इट्स जस्ट लाइक व्हेन जैसे मंत्र सुन के मुझे ना एक थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेशन होता है अंदर.
Yeah.
लाइक चैंटिंग दिस इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. लाइक आई हैव स्टार्टेड चैंटिंग इट सो कैजुअली and I have stacked that habit with driving. So whenever I'm driving, it starts coming automatically. कि हाँ,
Mm-hmm.
मुझे अभी बोलना चाहिए ना, मतलब जैसे स्टीयरिंग व्हील पे हाथ रखा तो अपने आप आ जाता है वो. So it
Right.
has become a part of my identity. It has become a part of my routine, I can say.
Mm-hmm.
So slowly, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, नाम जब बच्चे का नामकरण करते हैं तो नाम उसीलिए बोला जाता है so that the child absorbs that energy.
Right.
Same way when somebody is changing their name, they are made to write their name like 1,000 times, 1 lakh times, they have to write it to rewrite the energy of the previous name for that person. The
Yeah.
same way when you are doing it with this affirmation chanting for your new belief, I feel like this can overcome it very soon. And then
Yeah.
slowly you start embodying it.
Yeah.
So that is how
What we
powerful
do
it
is
is.
we basically regenerate and then the cellular work is done. It's like deep cleaning is done. Now, when you keep on practicing those new beliefs, it's like reinforcing those things.
Right,
The
right.
neural pathway gets reformed. The stronger pathways, it becomes stronger.
And it gets strengthened than what
Yeah.
strength it had for the wrong limiting beliefs.
Yeah.
So that is why I would suggest that this is like a go-to thing for everybody. And like no brainer है, कुछ सोचना नहीं है, कुछ करना नहीं है. And it is also a session which is very affordable for everybody. Like for one
Yeah.
session you can, this is something that you can निकाल सकते हैं. आप एक बार शॉपिंग करने जाओ तो इतना खर्च कर देते हो. एक बार
True.
आप डिनर पे फैमिली को लेके जाओ तो इतना खर्च कर, एक टूर के लिए जाते हैं, सब करते हैं हम, जहाँ पे लाखों उड़ा देते हैं. लाइक दिस इज नॉट इवन क्लोज टू दैट.
Yeah,
You
true.
can
Very
you
true.
can you can get so many benefits with just one session.
Yeah, very true. And I hope many people realize this that investing in yourself is the biggest asset that you can create. And this is not, it will not only stay with you, but it will also change the people who come after you, your children. The entire generational map looks different, which will come
Right.
after you. So, this is indeed a very transforming experience. And I so wish that people realize it. So Shobna, tell us how can people find you? Where can they find you?
So they can find me on Instagram or Facebook, or they can WhatsApp me also. Like if you
Okay.
want, I can put the number. So Instagram, my ID is Shobhana, not Subramanian.
Can you
And
spell it for everyone?
yeah, it is SHOBHANA, Shobhana dot Subramanian, SUBRAMANIAN. So they can find me on Instagram or they can WhatsApp me. So if you want my WhatsApp number, it is 63800 78075. So they can reach out to me on any of these, and I would be so glad to help them. Be like I can be the catalyst in their journey of magical experience of womb healing. So thank you so much again for giving this beautiful modality as a, like last year it was one of the most precious things that I learned last year. There are other things that I came across too, but this stays very special, and this holds a very special place in my heart because it helped me reconnect with that sibling of mine, and it helped me recreate the way I would have wanted to establish the relationship with him. And I keep telling my mother that although I have two siblings, one is alive, one is dead, I feel so much more connected with the one who is dead, whom I never saw, whom I never interacted with. But the interaction began at the womb level. It is like it is there in my cellular level. So
Yeah.
I said maybe that is why I feel so close to him. Although it is just a spiritual connection that I have this with this sibling
Not
of
only
mine.
spiritual, it's cellular because the womb remembers all its
Remembers.
previous inhabitants.
Right, right. So I, that's what I say, that I feel that I have two brothers and one who is very close to me, and I don't mind telling the story to everybody.
Yeah.
I say, like initially when I used to share about how my experience was in the womb, there would be a lot of pain that would show up. But now I say it with so much pride that yes, it was there. And once I realized that despite all those odds of me, like I could have been aborted and I am still here, I realized that my purpose is bigger, which
Yeah.
is why my mother's womb held on to me. उसने कुछ होने नहीं दिया, लाइक एक कवच बना के बचा लिया. क्या करके बचाया मुझे नहीं पता. वो चीज जो किसी को किसी की जान ले सकता है, it didn't even let a hair of mine get scratched,
Yeah.
and it saved me. So that womb was like a protector for me.
Yeah.
To get that changed belief took time. Till that time, I was blaming the same mother, same womb, that you gave me so much of trouble in the womb. आपने मुझे परेशान किया, आपने मुझे लाया, ये वो सब पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट हो गया एक सेशन से. So that is how much you start seeing life with more gratitude. You start seeing life with so much of happiness that okay, I am really blessed. It's not like हाँ होना था, हो गए, आ गए. Every child that needs to come into the womb is written as a part of the plan.
Yeah.
And you had to come to this mother because your soul chose this mother out of so many souls of yours. So this is a connection that you cannot deny. And I keep telling myself that I may make mistakes as a human being, Shobna, but my soul knows much more because it has lived
Yeah.
many more lives than this life. So if I don't trust my decision, it's okay. I can trust her decision, and that soul knows that ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है. Fine. So that these things give us a very good क्या बोलते हैं, a sense of control.
Yeah.
Control in the right way that okay, I am not, मैं भटक नहीं रही हूँ, मैं ऐसे मंडरा नहीं रही हूँ क्या करना है.
Direction. It gives you the courage. It gives you the strength to step into something which is unknown for you.
And the best part is that the strength is within you because the soul is
Yeah,
inside
you
you.
don't.
It is not external
Yeah.
anymore.
The whole point of healing is to become the person you need the most.
Right, exactly. And that really happened through my journey. I would say womb healing was a major part, but once people are into the journey of healing, where
Yeah.
like you are helping people with in their one-to-one journey, they evolve into the person that they have always been looking out for. कि कोई तो आए मुझे बचा ले, कोई तो आए मुझे समझने वाला, कोई तो आए मुझे प्यार करने, कोई क्यों चाहिए, तुम हो इतने पावरफुल. When you could do this to the entire world, you just have to give a portion of it to you because you were giving out so much. उतना भी देने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप थोड़ा सा भी अपने लिए निकाल लोगे, you will start feeling more better in your life.
True, very true. I mean, this is something which I feel most proud of, that I have given my children something which no money could buy,
Exactly.
which they will keep with themselves because it is going to be there in in their bodies, and their children, my grandchildren, my great grandchildren, all will inhabit this strength inside them because I chose this path. So yes, it is very empowering, very fulfilling, because the wealth is going to be destroyed one day, but this will not.
And even if they don't remember us, their their
The
bodies,
body will
their
remember.
DNA, exactly, the bodies, the DNA will remember and will have that gratitude that someone along the line
Yeah,
realized that this is something needed to be done and they did it.
yeah,
Because of them we are doing. So I realize that as I'm doing the process, I am having a lot of gratitude for all my ancestors
yeah,
because all of them had to come in the same combination to create me.
yeah.
अगर एक भी यहाँ का वहां हो जाता तो मैं कोई और होती. I would not be the same person that
True,
I am.
very true.
So everybody had to go through whatever they had to go through, but they gave us the gift of this life,
Yeah,
not to just live it. हाँ, आए हैं जिएंगे जाएंगे नहीं. You are important. Each one of you who is listening to this is an important person brought by purpose. Not like you are not a system error. मैं मेरे clients को यही बोलती हूँ, you are not a system error.
true.
You were created for a purpose. जो पर्पस आपका है आपको पता चलेगा या तो ढूंढो. Find it out and do it. Make your life more purposeful. That will give you the power to live your life in a better way than just living through the grinds of life. कि हाँ उठेंगे करेंगे काम करेंगे जाएंगे नहीं. You were not made only for this. Yes, there will be routine, there will be boredom, there will be discipline that we have to go through. But beyond all that, there is that ikigai, that is that purpose that we have to
Yeah,
find and we have to do because each one of us comes into the world to make our life and others' lives better than what it can be without your presence. So let's find that purpose and make this world a better place together.
indeed. In fact, when I learned this work, I mean, the modalities which I learned, I thought I am earning a living. Okay, that was one part of it. But gradually, when I started my clients shifting, and they started telling me now they are a better father, they are a better employee, they are a better spouse. I felt that this work is not limited to one human being. It triples down. And then I just thought that how it would be when more and more people can facilitate the kind of work I do. And from that
Correct.
space, the trainings were born. Because now I know that I could heal this number of people, but when people are following the same pattern and doing that same deep process, a lot of people. in that same time will be transforming, and those people will also change. The whole healed people will also change their dynamics with their family members, their businesses, their employees, their spouses, and so much of people will experience good life, which will in fact make this planet a better place. I know it will
Right.
take time. It is not going to happen overnight or in just few months or years, but at least this gives me hope that my children and my grandchildren will live in a society which is more towards healing rather than traumatizing.
Right. But बूंद बूंद से ही घट भरता है. So we do
Yeah,
our bit, and we take it as much as possible to the world so
yeah,
that it becomes a better place. So what is the legacy that we would love to leave for our next generations or our children? It is to live in a better place, to live in a better world inside. क्योंकि बाहर की दुनिया चाहे कैसी भी हो, अगर अंदर की दुनिया में वो लोग जूझ रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू लिव अप टू देयर पोटेंशियल, live up to their level of happiness or peace that they can create within themselves, then what are we giving to our children?
yeah. And apart from
let's
that,
let's break it
when your
from.
internal world changes, everything outside also changes. So it's like when you're content within, you find so many things in your life through which will give you that same content.
You
And
start attracting more of that.
yeah,
It doesn't stay limited to only what you are having in your hand. The more I started loving myself, like I said, the more love started pouring in through different ways.
yeah,
People are randomly complimenting, people are randomly giving gifts, people are randomly coming and being in your space because they are enjoying being in your space. Something like something out of the blue happens. कहाँ से हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं पता.
yeah,
But you start seeing life, seeing the world in a different way, and that would make it a better place.
yeah. Thank you so much, Shobna. Thank you having for this heartfelt conversation. It was
Thank,
really so beautiful and so fulfilling. Thank
thank you
you.
very much.
People, you can reach out to Shobna for your warm healing session. And if you want to get it done from me, you can reach out to me. Shobna has already shared her credentials in the video. And if you wish to hold this space for others, please explore the womb healing training program. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shobna.
Thank you, Sneha.